Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today we're comparing Shopify and Bluehost to help you understand how they work and which one is better for building your online store. I'll walk you through their features, ease of use, pricing, and really who each platform is best for. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First off, let me give you a quick overview of these platforms rather. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform. That means it gives you everything you need to create and run an online store without dealing with technical work. The hosting, security, checkout system, themes, and sales tools all come ready to use. On the other hand, Bluehost is mainly a hosting service. It gives you your space on the internet where you can install WordPress and then build your store using plugins like WooCommerce. So, Shopify is a complete store builder, while Bluehost gives you the foundation and lets you build the store yourself. Now, let's talk about features. Shopify keeps things simple, giving you built-in tools for products, payments, inventory, discount codes, gift cards, shipping setups, and abandoned cart recovery. Everything works together smoothly, so you don't have to install extra plugins to run your store. Shopify also includes hosting and automatic security updates, so your site stays fast and safe without doing anything. Bluehost works very differently because you use WordPress. And with WordPress, you can install any theme, choose from thousands of plugins, and customize your site however you want. This gives you more freedom than Shopify, but it also means more responsibility. You might need multiple plugins to handle shipping, marketing, page design, checkout features, and backups. Bluehost gives you a strong base, but you build the rest of your store piece by piece. Now let's look at the user experience. Shopify is perfect for beginners. The dashboard is simple, everything is labeled clearly, and you can build a store even if you've never touched a website before. It's very beginner friendly and it's clean. Bluehost, on the other hand, gives you access to WordPress, which is powerful, but has more menus, settings, and tools to learn. If you like to change things and you're okay with learning new things, Bluehost is a good option. But if you want something simple and easy, Shopify is better. Let's quickly talk about pricing. Shopify starts at $25 per month for basic, $65 per month for Grow, $399 per month for Advanced, and $2,300 per month for the Plus plan. On the other hand, Bluehost offers several pricing categories, including standard, high performance, commerce, VPS, dedicated, and cloud. Since we're comparing it with Shopify, a commerce platform, we'll focus on Bluehost's e-commerce pricing. In the e-commerce category, Bluehost offers two main plans: e-commerce essentials, e-commerce premium. Essentials is $16.99 a month. E-commerce premium is $24.99 per month. So what do you pick? If you want a simple store that's ready to use without technical work, Shopify is your best option. It saves time, removes stress, and makes selling online easy. But if you want full control over your website and like the idea of building everything your way with WordPress, then Bluehost is a better choice. All right, that's it for today's video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You get the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you at all, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.